In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Docs. Whether you're looking to organize data, display information neatly, or simply add structure to your document, tables in Google Docs are an incredibly useful tool. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Docs. If you're unsure how to get there, just open up your preferred web browser and type Google Docs into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you should see a link that takes you directly to Google Docs. Click on this link, and you'll be greeted by the main Google Docs page. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll either see a list of your previous documents or some template options if you're starting fresh. Click on the document where you want to insert a table. If you don't have an existing document, you might want to create a new one by clicking on the plus icon to get started with a blank page. Now, with your document open, direct your attention to the cursor. This little blinking line is your starting point. Wherever it is on the page is where your table will be inserted. So make sure it's positioned exactly where you'd like your table to appear. At the top of your screen, you'll notice a menu bar with several options. Locate and click on the Insert tab. This action will open up a drop-down menu full of options for what you can add to your document. We're interested in the Table option, which you'll find if you look down the list a little bit. Hover over Table, and you'll see a grid appear. Rows and columns are what make up a table, and here's where you get to decide how many of each you need. Move your mouse across the grid to select the number of rows and columns you want your table to have. As you move, you'll notice small boxes getting highlighted. These boxes represent cells in your table. When it matches your needs, click, and your table will automatically appear in your document. That's it. You've successfully inserted a table into your Google Doc. Now, you can adjust the size of your table by dragging the lines that separate the rows and columns. You can also add more rows and columns later if needed, or merge cells to customize your table even further. Remember, tables can greatly enhance how you organize